Good morning, children. Namaste. Today we are here to write letters C and G in the notebook. Now that you have finished in the textbook, today we are writing in the notebook. It's very easy because you have already learnt in the textbook. But again in the notebook we are practicing again to write these two letters in the notebook. Okay, now you all know, just repeating once again for you all: top red line, first blue line, second blue line, and bottom red line. And this is the margin. Here we don't write anything, and here we write the date. And when you are writing the date, please pay attention what your parents are writing. When they are writing the date, you should also look at the calendar and try to understand. Parents, you also need to have the patience to guide them every day. The date, what you're writing about the date, month and year, it doesn't come out in just a single day, but every day we keep on instructing and guiding them. One fine day they will understand. It doesn't come out in one single day. Whatever you're instructing, they don't get it, but every day if you're keeping on repeating, they will get it one day. What is the date you're writing here? And this is the top margin. We don't write anything on the first row. Parents will have kept ready for you letters C and G. From the second row onwards you will start writing. Okay, let's start. So keep your pencil near the top red lines, somewhat little bit below that, and then start from here. Go left side, left side. Remember, left side curve, a big curve where it touches the second blue line and then a little bit up. This is letter C. Once again, start from here, a little bit touch the top red line, come down a big curve, touch the second blue line and little bit up. Okay, this is letter C. C says K. C says K. And now I'm going to teach you how to write G. G is similar to C but a little bit ahead of it. See, like the same way how you wrote C, a big curve touching the second blue line, but here you need to go up, touch the first blue line and sleeping line inside, a small sleeping line inside. This is letter G. Once again, a small below the top red line, start from there, a big curve touching the second blue line, go up, touch the first blue line and then stop and go inside a small sleeping line, straight sleeping line inside. Okay, this is letter G. G says G. G says G. C says K. G says G. Very good. Now you finish this writing, and when you come to the left side where you need to draw, parents, when you are drawing, as usual I told you, keep your children in front of you and involve the children when you're drawing something. And when you're drawing some pictures for the letters, that is the object associated with the letters, keep it as simple as possible so that the children also need to learn how to draw. I know you're all, some of them are good at drawing, you can draw better objects, but keep it as simple so that they also will learn how to draw. Like for example, a cat, C for cat. You can draw a better cat, but I am going to use that format which is easier and simpler for the children to draw and pick, because during the small letters, when they are writing the small letters, the children need to draw the objects associated with the letters on their own. Okay, so keep it as simple as possible. See, I am going to just use a small circle and a big circle, and this is a tail of the cat and two big ears and two eyes and a nose, that is a triangle, and we say the whiskers and the mouth. Okay, so whiskers, this is called whiskers, and then this is a cat. See, it is as simple so that the children are also able to draw it. Okay, C for cat. And next I think we'll take candle, which is easier. And here a simple oval shape, and then draw 2 standing lines, close it, and then make the candle keeps leaking when it's burning. So I'm just drawing imagination that it's leaked a little bit, and then the flame of the candle, and it's burning. Okay, so children will color it. C for cat, C for candle. Now letter G. G, let's keep it simple. Again, a oval shape to make a glass. G for glass, and then 2 standing lines. Close it. This becomes a glass. Okay, color it. And then for grapes, G for grapes, make circles, one besides the other, and then the stem, or say the leaf. Okay, and then draw, and then color it. If you are able to draw, it's okay. Otherwise, parents are drawing it for you. But when you are writing the small letters, you will have to draw on your own. Now color this, write this, and then enjoy. Learning is fun, and then send it to your ma'am. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.